Hey, we're here at the Northeast Ohio Sportsman Show, and here's a bunch of the mounts from the show here in Mount Hope, Ohio. Enjoy. Welcome to HCO and More. HCO stands for Holmes County, Ohio. And that's your connection to Amish country. Be sure to like and subscribe. No, you're fine. So what is that critter?
It's called a Codamundi. They're in. You'll only find them in southern Arizona and New Mexico. Mundi is what they're called.
Okay.
Codamundi.
They do look a little bit raccoonish, especially with stripes on the tail.
Yeah, this one's a little browner, but a lot of them are darker, and then the stripes are more visible going up the tail. And they'll walk around with their tail like that. They have them up, and then they have them like at a tilted like that. And so they travel with their whole families, and then you'll see a whole herd of these tails sticking up like that. It's pretty
that'd
neat.
be cool.
It's pretty neat.
This is Codamundi.
Yep.
So they're kind of like those Marrakeets or Marraquettes.
I think they're in that family. That would be they're herbivores, so they do a lot of digging and stuff. You have the long claws that they use to dig up roots and do a lot of burrowing with their. You can see how their nose is shaped.
Yeah.
Do a lot of burrowing with their nose. They're pretty neat little critters.
We won't get you eating back there. Thank you.
Yep, you're welcome.
Welcome to HCO and More. HCO stands for Holmes County, Ohio. That's your connection to Amish country. Be sure to like and subscribe.